Haven't been pulled over in a long time. Thank you very much. Be careful, Bubba.
Oh.
Don't speed. They let us off. Government Canyon, here we come. We have a surprise. You got a new little hiking buddy.
This will be his first tent camp. Come on. We got a little box in here.
To store our food, I guess.
Well, that's nice.
That's the first
time we've seen this.
Yeah, we're about to say the same exact thing. Y'all, we have been saying the same thing this whole trip. All right, let's set up camp.
Set up a run line for him because he wants to move around. Hungry?
Where do you think you're going?
Hungry? Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good stuff. That's when you know they're enjoying it, when their legs come off the ground. Hey, finger guns. We're gonna take them on the trail. We're gonna have to see how this goes. First time to take them hiking.
Let's see how this first hike goes. Cause he's sleeping.
This first step on a trail. Come on.
I know, he's adorable.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Hi. Fell asleep on us. Rain's coming. We need to truck it. You ready?
Yep.
I can't believe it. This is absolutely horrible to me. I'm so sad right now. See that? That stove, I've tried it on different bottles. I've had this stove for a long time.
He always talks about how much he loves the stove and how it just keeps holding up and it keeps holding up.
For 14, 15 years now I've been using this little stove.
And so it sounds like tomorrow we've got to go to REI and get a replacement stove.
This was a snow peak. I'm gonna get another one of these. We're gonna finish up dinner and clean up out here. Maybe we'll find something to do after that. We got a nice fire going. What?
I looked at the camera. I was like,
Okay, so it's supposed to really come down and rain tomorrow. So we're throwing some of our stuff in the van now. It's everything we don't need, I think. Remember, these sites here are primitive, so you gotta either tote water in to clean your dishes or find a sink. That's what I'm doing now. Okay. Got the fire still going out there. It's hard to see probably with the GoPro. It's pretty nice. Gonna sit here with the tent door open for a while. Hey, you got a snuggle, buddy? Mm-hmm. Let me shot this puppy. I'm not turning the lights on. Mel, it's raining.
yeah,
It's raining hard.
no.
Well, we have a problem.
Yep.
We're gonna have to pack up because it's flooding. How do we always get into these situations?
We knew that it was going to rain.
Yeah, I didn't know we'd be in a huge pool pulling the water out.
Oh, look
That's
at that.
crazy. It's like a waterbed.
It is like a waterbed. My pack is dead out there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out.
I almost brought it in last night and I didn't because I was like, there's not enough room for us and the pack and the dog.
Where you going, Jude? To be honest, we probably would have been okay. The tent was actually holding water, but if it got too much deeper, I'm sure it could have really flooded us. Better safe than sorry. Okay, we are showered.
We are showered. It always feels good taking a nice hot shower after you've got drenched.
Not our first rodeo.
No.
And back there, he's griping. We got a van full of wet stuff again.
Yeah.
Government Canyon, natural area, done.
Done.
Check.
Jude's first actual hike and his very first night in a tent, and he did really well even though there was a storm there. He got scared like one time and he crawled up there when it was a lot of thunder. It was really loud. So
It was cool. He's shivering. We got to wrap this thing up. So until next time,
Happy trails, y'all.
How much is a pocket rocket? That's what it's called.
I'm gonna get one.
Every time you say a word, you pat my butt.
Oh. It's gonna be all double chin.